Most Americans don't stay broke because they earn too little. They stay broke because every time they earn more, their freedom quietly shrinks. Pause for a second and think about this. If earning more money automatically created freedom, then people making six figures in America would feel calm, secure, and relaxed. But they don't. They feel stressed. They feel dependent. They feel one paycheck away from panic. This is not an accident. This is how the American money system really works. In America, high income looks powerful. Six figures, promotions, bonuses, a better title, a better lifestyle. From the outside, it looks like success. Friends admire you. Family feels proud. Society tells you, you made it. But behind closed doors, something feels off. Bills are always waiting. Notifications never stop. Pressure never leaves. And peace feels expensive. No one talks about this part. Because this is the part that breaks the illusion. In America, money doesn't disappear suddenly. It leaks slowly. A bigger paycheck arrives, and life upgrades automatically. Not because you truly need more, but because you're expected to want more. A nicer apartment, a newer car, better furniture, more subscriptions, more monthly payments, more commitments. Each upgrade feels harmless. Each decision feels justified. But together, they quietly build a cage. This is lifestyle inflation, and it doesn't ask permission. It shows up right after your income increases. Before you even understand your new salary, your expenses are already adjusting. Your lifestyle grows faster than your freedom. And once that happens, you don't feel rich. You feel busy. You feel trapped. You feel tired. The American system doesn't reward stability. It rewards appearance. It rewards people who look successful, not people who are actually secure. So Americans learn something dangerous. They learn to perform wealth instead of building it. Appear busy. Appear important. Appear expensive. Appear successful. Meanwhile, the margin disappears. Savings shrink. Time disappears. And stress becomes normal. High income creates a dangerous illusion. It makes you feel safe. Safe enough to spend more. Safe enough to delay planning. Safe enough to ignore structure. Safe enough to believe tomorrow will always be better. But safety without discipline is fragile. One unexpected event is enough. A medical bill, a job change, a layoff, a recession, a burnout, and suddenly, the six-figure life feels extremely weak. Here's the uncomfortable truth no one likes to hear. High income without discipline is more dangerous than low income with control. Because low earners know their limits. High earners assume growth will save them. They don't prepare for collapse. They don't build buffers. They don't slow down. They just keep upgrading. America doesn't punish low earners the most. It exhausts high earners slowly. Long hours, constant performance, endless pressure, fear of falling behind. The pressure isn't loud, it's constant. And constant pressure destroys clarity. Debt makes this system much worse. In America, debt is normalized, encouraged, advertised as freedom. Swipe now, pay later, 0%, minimum due. But debt doesn't just cost money. Debt steals options. You can't slow down. You can't step away. You can't take risks. You can't choose peace. Because the payment is always waiting. High-income Americans don't feel poor. They feel trapped. Trapped by expectations. Trapped by lifestyle. Trapped by commitments. Trapped by the next paycheck. They earn more, but they own less control. Two people can earn the same salary in America. One feels calm. The other feels anxious. The difference is not intelligence. It's not luck. It's not income. It's structure. One builds buffers, the other builds appearances. One thinks long-term, the other reacts emotionally. One controls money, the other uses money to feel better. Comfort replaces clarity, and spending replaces strategy. America sells a powerful lie. That freedom comes later, after the next raise, after the next promotion, after the next milestone, after the next upgrade. But later never arrives, because the system upgrades faster than your income. No matter how much you earn, there's always something more to buy. Real financial freedom in America is quiet. It doesn't show off. It doesn't impress strangers. It doesn't chase validation. It looks boring. And that's exactly why most people avoid it. Because boredom doesn't sell, but peace requires it. Freedom is not about earning more. It's about reducing dependency. Less debt, more margin, more time, more control, more choice. Freedom means being able to say no. Freedom means sleeping without anxiety. Freedom means breathing without pressure. The goal is not to look rich. The goal is to feel safe, to make decisions without fear, to step away without panic, to slow down without guilt. That is real wealth. If this video feels uncomfortable, that's a good sign. Discomfort means clarity is starting to replace illusion. You don't need a higher income. You need a different relationship with money. One built on discipline, on structure, on patience, on control. This channel exists for people who want clarity, not hype. Stability, not status. Freedom, not noise. If that's you, subscribe. Because in America, understanding money matters more than chasing it.